BODHI has always been my dream and my family's dream. It's three-generational. My grandmother, my mom, and I always wanted to have our own place. So we're very close already as a family. Our food is rooted in my family recipe and how we grew up. Had we not had Toast from the beginning, I think it would have been a struggle. With Toast Go 3, everything just able to be rung in faster, things can be up so better, and more sales can happen immediately without losing any orders. Toast Go 3 allow us to provide the experience not interrupted. We're able to get order in, able to add on more orders, and then close out without any interruptions, without any delay. It keep the flow going. Cellular capability is probably our #1 feature. The first night that we start using Toast Go 3, our power went out. On that night with Toast Go 3, we were able to close out checks without any issues. Toast Go 3 will be able to connect BODHI to Toast everywhere we go. Toast Go 3 are being used by our servers and bartender to take orders, close out checks. They're still fighting over who to use it on a daily basis. The battery life is definitely much better than Toast Go 2. We're able to leave it on for a few days without having to recharge. With Toast Menu upsell, the staff will be able to navigate the menu easier without having to go through the menu itself, and able to just add on the items very easily. They can just simply tap and add on the items, and it saves time and it's make things go smoothly. Glass of wine become a bottle of wine, turns into larger check amounts and more revenue.